Hello students, in this video we will discuss about word problems of HCF and LCM. Word problems are also known as story problems. First example, find the greatest number that divides 204 and 64 without a remainder. In this question, we need to find the greatest number. It means we will find out HCF of 204 and 64. Let us find. We can use any method to find HCF. Its HCF will be 4. It means the greatest number that divides 204 and 64 without a remainder is 4. Let us see another example. What is the least number of children who may be arranged in rows of 12, 14 or 16 in each row? In this question, we need to find the least number of children. It means we will find LCM of 12, 14 or 16. Let us find. We can use any method to find LCM. Here I have used division method. So its LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. That is equal to 336. So final answer will be 336 is the least number of children who may be arranged in rows of 12, 14 or 16 in each row. It means when the greatest number which divides is asked, then we need to find the HCF. But when the least number which is divisible by is asked, then we need to find LCM. L for least and L for LCM. Next example. What is the maximum length of equal pieces that can be cut from two lengths of wire of 74 cm and 92 cm with a piece of 2 cm remaining of each? Let us see its solution. Here we need to find maximum length, and in this question a piece of 2 cm remaining of each. So first we will subtract the remainder. Whenever remainder is given, subtract this remainder from the given numbers. Therefore 74 minus remainder 2 is equal to 72, and 92 minus 2 is equal to 90. So we will find the HCF of 72 and 90. Let us find. Its HCF will be 18. Therefore, the maximum length of equal pieces that can be cut from two lengths of wire of 74 cm and 92 cm is 18 cm with a piece of 2 cm remaining of each. Next example. 4 bells in a church toll at intervals of 6, 7, 8 and 9 seconds respectively. After how much time will they toll together again? In this question, we need to find minimum time. It means we will find LCM of 6, 7, 8 and 9. Let us find LCM. I have used division method. Its LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 2 is multiplied 3 times, so we can write 2 to the power 3. 3 is repeated 2 times, so 3 to the power 2. Answer will be 504 seconds. We will convert 504 seconds to minute and seconds. So we will divide it by 60. We will get 8 as quotient and 24 as remainder. So its final answer, the 4 bells in the church will toll together again after 504 seconds, that is 8 minutes 24 seconds. Now important points to remember. Find the HCF when the words such as greatest, largest and maximum are used. And find the LCM when the words such as least, smallest and minimum are used.